Today we will introduce subscription feature. This feature will help you manage your subscriber or your subscription. Now we can see subscription list will be listed here. We have 25 subscriber and had to 21 and subscriber because of for subscribers it says at the private status, so we can see our subscriber list. Now we will check. We will go to subscribe another channel. It's an unknown channel. We will subscribe this channel. Subscribe this channel. Now we can see newly subscriber update. Here, this one have been subscribed. With this feature, we can unsubscribe or subscribe the channel by click to subscribe in top right directly. No need to go to YouTube channel. It make you easily to subscribe other channel. Now I have just unsubscribed that channel and it will update in my subscriber list. Now this channel unsubscribe our channel. So now I will subscribe directly from the right. You can check in YouTube channel. This feature focus to subscribe other channel and manage your subscriber in your channel. You can say that okay or not okay. If okay, the channel is subscribe each other. That means the channel subscribe our channel and we subscribe the channel. With subscribe, you can manage your subscribers and whatever you want to subscribe by click in subscribe directly. If you like this video, please like and share. with surprise also. It's easy to manage your subscriber. And while it is command delete unlist private feature, you see on the top right, I support I play fire another video I told before. Please leave a comment if you have any issue. Thank you.